everybody, Levi Clay here, and I'm back with another Michael Romeo riff. Yes, this is becoming a series. This time I'm not going to be looking too much into the theory, I'm going to be looking more at some of the technical aspects of Michael's playing. You see, when you really break down Michael's riff style, he has incredible dexterity in his left hand, lots of strength in that hand as presented in this riff. When you look at more songs, like check out the chorus to Nevermore, that's a great example of it. It's a fast legato pattern that forms the basis of the riff. It's very tricky to play at speed, especially for the length of time that you are required to play it. Anyway, this riff is taken from the song A Fool's Paradise. Now this comes from Symphony X's fifth album, V, a new mythology suite, and is well worth checking out if you're into the more progressive side of metal. This is definitely pre-metal Symphony X. There's obviously a lot of heavy influence on this album, but there's a lot more of the progressive side of things coming through. So nothing too challenging theoretically. We're just using notes of the G-sharp Phrygian dominant scale, or what would that be? That would be the C-sharp harmonic minor scale. I mean, I say that, but actually the guitar is tuned down a tone, so I guess that would make it F-sharp Phrygian dominant, but you kind of get the point. So yeah, nothing too challenging in terms of theory, but the dexterity that you're going to need in order to pull this one off at speed is right up there with the greats. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to cut to a clip of me playing it fast with the tab on screen, and then I'm going to cut in a clip of me playing it slowly with the tab on screen. Now I've done this with a full backing track. There's drums, there is bass, and there is keyboards or organs in this case. And it's really about getting used to the picking directions. So there is one slide in this riff, but generally speaking, everything makes consistent sense in terms of your alternate picking technique. It's down, up, down, up, down, up. If there would be a downstroke, but there's no note played, i.e. a rest, there's still a downstroke there, you're just not hitting the string, so the picking hand never pauses. So if you are struggling with that, really do break this one down slowly, looking at the slower example. It is a monster of a picking riff, and I do intend to do lots more of these technical ones and more theoretical ones, because as I say, Michael Romeo, one hell of a player. Anyway, here we have it. The riff it's the pre-chorus riff, I believe, you might call it that. It's prog, it's hard to say, from A Fool's Paradise. Check it out. And there we have it, a relatively quick one. I don't feel that I even need to break this one down. I don't feel that I need to show you how to play that, because I have the animated on-screen tab, and I think that does just as good a job for a riff as simple as this. It really is about taking it nice and slow, getting used to the fingering pattern, and building up the strength required in this left hand to be able to pull that off consistently. Now, I think actually I recorded my version at like 130 BPM, and I think the album is even a little bit faster than that, but I didn't want to be spending the next 2 weeks getting this one together, especially as I need to get a bunch of videos out before I head away on holiday, so this will be uploaded while I'm away. Yeah, so what did you think of that? Fool's Paradise, can you get that one up to speed? Do you have any other suggestions of Michael Romeo riffs or songs or sections that you would like me to address in future Michael Romeo lessons? I mean, I've still not given this one a series name. I'm playing with the idea of Romeo and riffs you now get, but who knows, that's pretty long-winded. Yeah, so hit me up in that comment section below. Lastly, I just want to extend a huge debt of gratitude to these people over here, some of my supporters over on patreon.com. It's a great way to support me. Head on over there, gets you access to my private patron-only Facebook group, transcription challenges and the like. Yeah, and just that feel-good feeling inside knowing that you are supporting a hardworking musician. I should also, new credit scene, check that out. Ha ha ha! Check out some of my books on Amazon.com. These are all country books. I have some slide books coming. Nothing progressive metal quite yet. We will see what happens on that front. Who knows? If I keep making these Michael Romeo videos, someone will come to me and say, do a book on Michael Romeo. Maybe even Michael. So if you want to reach out to me, Michael, and we can co-write something together, I am happy to do that. Anyway, if you would like to check me out on Patreon, you can do so by clicking this button up here. You can subscribe by clicking this little button down here, and you will find 2 more of my videos here and here. Don't be shy, guys. Please do hit me up in that comment section below. I love interacting with you. I love helping you out with more things. So if you have questions about this or anything else, like I say, suggestions. I even went to the effort of lint rolling the top of my shirt because, you know, having dogs means I'm covered in hair and you guys keep moaning about it. So I fixed that. Anyway, peace out and I'll see you for another video soon. Bye.